Friends, we have a completed all the syllabus from a section. Then we are going to start how to tackle the university exam or university exam question paper, right? How it? I'll take for 2 marks question first. Then we will go towards the other questions, right? First question, define thermodynamics planes. That is, what are the thermodynamic planes, right? The diagram on which we have to represent the state of material or state of liquid or state of fluid, right? That diagram are called as thermodynamic, or that planes are called as thermodynamic planes. PVTS diagram, right? These are the thermodynamics planes, right? Next, state Zeroth law of thermodynamics and give its application. What is the definition of Zeroth law? When body A is in thermal equilibrium with B and separately with C, then all bodies are in thermal equilibrium, then it is called as Zeroth law, right? Example, measuring the temperature by the thermometer, right? This is the example of this. Next, define entropy. What is entropy? Entropy is denoted by S, right? Entropy is a derived property of system, right? Mathematically is defined as the change of entropy ds of system receiving heat Q at a temperature T Kelvin, right, is defined as ds upon dq by T. This is mathematically expression, right? So we have to define it is the change in entropy is the rate of change of change of heat rate per unit temperature. This is called as entropy, right? So this is a 2 marks question. So if you write this mathematical form also, you can get the marks, right? Next, define the term process and cycle, right? What is process and cycle? Then suppose when a system moves from one equilibrium state to another equilibrium state, the result of such change is the transfer of energy across the boundary of the system. Then it is called as process. And cycle, a cycle is the process or a series of a process which return the system to its initial state from where process began, right? It is called as cycle. Next, show constant temperature process on PVTS diagram, right? Constant temperature process. In the TS diagram, we have to draw the horizontal line, and in PV diagram, we have to write for application of compress here. Compress in automobile section, in cleaning section, in spray painting section, right? In a complicated machine cleaning section, right? These are the in air brake, right? This is applications of the compress here, right? Next, state the function of spark plug and fuel injector, right? Here spark plug is present in the petrol engine and fuel injector is present in the diesel engine. When in the petrol engine, when charge is compressed, spark ignite. So spark plug ignites spark, and due to this explosion takes place, right? This is the use of spark plug, that is to ignite the spark or to burn the fuel, right? In a fuel injector, when air get compressed in the cylinder, then fuel injector inject or spray the fuel on that compressed air, and spraying the fuel is a function of a fuel injector, right? Next, write 4 applications of refrigeration system. 4 applications of refrigeration system. Refrigeration is to produce ice, right? To maintain vegetable fresh. Next, in the ice cream parlor, right? Next, to maintain water temperature or cold water, right? These are the 4 applications of refrigeration system. Thank you very much.